On this auspicious day of the 67th Independence, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome each and every individual who is gearing for India's tomorrow. Now, I sincerely request our Honorable Chief Guest to carry on with the proceedings of
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
I'm sure that the anthem has made me and everyone present here immensely proud of being an Indian. Now I request our Chief Guest to address the students.
Good morning and happy Independence Day to one and all. So the current generation thinks that if you want anything interesting, you have to look elsewhere, right? So when you want to look for an iPhone or an iPad, you look elsewhere, right? And I want you to remind you two things. Thanks to Professor Chandrasekhar, we created last year an IM-Tech. And 67 years back, our forefathers have created an I-Day. Right? So we are continuing to be innovative guys. Okay? What is interesting is sometimes we are not proud of our innovation. Okay? Of course, we have to be very clear. Proud does not mean jingoism. You never say that, look, I am the best. But you want to be the best. Okay? So what is important is that if you get time, go on Google. There is something called Innovation Summit. Our good friend Chris Gopalakrishnan, who is our chairman and also the vice chairman of Infosys, and he is currently the president of CII, the Confederation of Indian Industry. And for the last 9 years, we all have been working with him to create something called Innovation Summit. And what is special about Chris is he goes out of the way to locate unusual things in the country. Because he is part of Infosys, obviously he looks at IT, but he looks at unusual things. So he gets a person from Bihar who single-handedly, you won't believe it, it's one person who single-handedly chipped off a small mountain. Several years back, he could not carry his pregnant wife fast enough for delivery because there was no brake, right? And in the process, she died. What most people would have done is to curse everybody, including the God. But this man said, no, this shall not happen to anyone else. He tried for 2 years seeking the help of the government to build a bridge, but nothing happened. Once again, many of us would say that government is not working, so what do? I tried for 2 years in vain. But this man said, no, I shall make the difference. Single-handedly, he chipped off the whole mountain. Unbelievable. And that kind of people, Chris kind of brings. So what I want you to carry on the day of the Independence Day is the inspiration that you can make a difference. You can make a big difference, and you can make a big difference if you want. Okay? And you can make a difference even to IIIT, right? So do something which will make the institute proud. And maybe, who knows, 25 years later, some of you will attend the Independence Day at IIITB with your school-going, college-going children. And you can say that, look, that difference you made started on this day. Okay? All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the enlightening words. Now I request our SAC member Pratisha to give her maiden speech.
Come. Come here.
Good morning, all of you. As we celebrate 67th Independence Day, it is a good opportunity for us to commemorate the martyrs of our country who brought us freedom at the cost of their lives. Also, Independence Day could be incomplete if we don't feel grateful to the soldiers because of whom we are standing here celebrating our independence. Right from 15th August 1947, less than 67 years of independence, and what India has achieved in this short span of time is surely remarkable. India is one of the 3 countries in the world that manufactures supercomputers, one of the only 6 countries in the world that launches satellites. India is the only country that have launched 8 missiles in the last 10 years under the guidance of our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India has the 2nd largest stock exchange in the world. 8 Indian companies have been registered in the New York Stock Exchange. This is something that no other country has ever been able to achieve. Now I would like Parul to say something.
सुप्रभात। आज़ादी की 67वीं वर्षगांठ की आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हमने विकास के हर पथ को छुआ है, हर पहलू को छुआ है हमने। आर्थिक विकास से लेकर औद्योगिक विकास तक, सांस्कृतिक विकास से लेकर सामाजिक विकास तक, वैज्ञानिक विकास से लेकर धार्मिक विकास तक। उन्नति का कोई ऐसा पथ नहीं, कोई ऐसा मोड़ नहीं जिस पर हम नहीं चले हों। हमें ज़रूरत है तो सिर्फ इसकी कि हम कुछ और मीलों का फासला तय करें, कुछ और ऐसे काम करें कि सन 2030 तक हम कोशिश करें हमें एक नोबेल पुरस्कार विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में भी मिले। सन 2035 तक हम दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बन जाए। हम यह सब लक्ष्यों को बहुत आसानी से पा सकते हैं क्योंकि भारतीय युवा शक्ति विश्व की सबसे बड़ी युवा शक्ति है। अगर हम इन सब चीज़ों को पा सकें, हम इन सब चीज़ों को मुमकिन कर सकें, तो हम उस राह पे पहुंच जाएंगे जिसकी मंजिल है पूर्ति, वृद्धि और उन्नति। जय हिंद, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय विज्ञान और जय संविधान।
जय।
Thank you so much, Pratisha, and धन्यवाद Parul. Moving on, I request our music choir to fill the air with patriotism.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। उजड़े नहीं अपना चमन, टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, गुमराह ना कर दे कोई, बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई। मंदिर यहाँ, मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलके रहे हम प्यार से जागो। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम, सभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। आसाम से गुजरात तक, बंगाल से महाराष्ट्र तक, जाति कई धुन एक है, भाषा कई सुर एक है। कश्मीर से मद्रास तक कह दो सभी हम एक है, आवाज दो हम एक है, जागो।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
Thank you so much, Choir, for the scintillating performance. With that, we have reached the end of today's celebration.